Hello, and welcome to lesson number 5. We are going to discuss how to connect your software to your S3 account so you can begin to upload files. Okay, so the step number 1 consists of you opening up your Cloudberry S3 or S3 browser, or even the CyberDuck if you are using a Mac computer. Most of them are very similar. Now, I am in Cloudberry. We are using this because we really like Cloudberry. We've used other softwares before and we just like Cloudberry. So it really comes down to your preference. However, they are all the same. With Cloudberry, what you can do is, on the left-hand side, you're going to see Source. So under Source, it says My Computer. We click this drop-down menu, and we click on New Storage Account. Now with Cloudberry, it gives you a ton of different options. You don't really need most of these options, but it gives you the options to connect to your website FTP. And what you can do is you can actually transfer files from FTP or your website to Amazon S3. So that's a nice thing. If you want to transfer files from here to here or from your computer to Amazon S3, you have the option to do that. So what we need to do now is we need to create an Amazon S3 stores account. So we click this, double click it. Now it's going to ask you for the display name, which basically it tells you what the account is. And that's just for you. Next, it's going to ask you to enter your access and secret keys. And these are two items that you can only get from your Amazon account. The same with S3 Fox or S3 Browser or CyberDuck. They are all going to ask you for the access key and secret key. What's nice about this is once you get the key, it will connect to the system and you don't need to worry about creating buckets within the Amazon S3 dashboard, which is something that we used to do in the past. So you can do everything within the program itself. So now what I want you to do is, step 2 is to show you where to get these access and secret keys. Assuming that you have created the Amazon AWS account, what you need to do next is after you have added your credit card, which is up in the top, click on your account name and click on My Security Credentials. So at this point, it is going to forward you to this particular page. It's going to say you are accessing the security credentials or your AWS account. So click Continue and then Next. We need to go under this item here, Access Key, and then, of course, you are going to see Create Access Key. Now, keep in mind that you can only have 2 active access key IDs. You cannot have more. So if you need to make more inactive, you just click on Make Inactive. Once you click on Create New Access Key, it will create a brand new access key and it will create those 2 keys that you need. So once you have those 2 keys, all you have to do is enter the access key in here, secret key in here, and that's it. And then you are good to go. Once you are done with that, you click on OK, and then you will have an account created within here. So now all you need to do is simply select that particular account, and that's all you have to do for now.